Hey guys, how you doing? This is Asamo here. Paul's out today. Just want to give you an update on the strange sounds that's been happening in Wisconsin. I just came across this article just exactly an hour ago. They say the sound was caused by a minor earthquake. It says that a geologist survey said that a 1.5 magnitude earthquake struck Tuesday just after midnight in Clintonville town, about 4,600 people, 4 miles from Green Bay. So that when they heard the loud booming noise coming from it, they said it was from underground. The mysterious sounds investigation. It says it's linked to an earthquake. So here's the article on that. It's on Huff Post on that. So just want to let you know. I don't know if that's good news or bad news because Wisconsin don't normally have earthquakes. You've heard of earthquakes happening in California and in different parts of the world, but not Wisconsin. So there you have it. The article confirms that it was an earthquake in Wisconsin that caused the booming sounds. As I mentioned, the other video just did a while ago. This article came up, so I figured I should let you know, fresh off the press, what's happening. So if you see the earthquake, as I'm showing right now, this is currently what's happening now, and as I speak, um, Wyoming just had a 3.1 earthquake there, and the charts here in Utah 1.5. The red dots represent the current earthquake as I speak. And then you can see in Nevada here, let's see here, Baja, Mexico, Central California, and Northern California. And here's a list of different magnitudes are happening here. In Central California, you see Baja California, Northern California. Mexico is still rattling. There's 4.8 there. San Francisco, a lot of 1.3 earthquakes there. Turkey, Northern California, again Mexico here. Alaska has been having a lot of them there, and so forth. But I just want to point attention on that where that sound what they were saying, and I did say that this could be an earthquake because they mentioned a rattling thing. It was a rattle and a strange noise. And Wisconsin people aren't used to earthquakes. At least I don't think they do. But here's that article again that says that it was a 1.5 earthquake magnitude that struck and caused the sound exactly. It was the time of that. So I don't know if that has to do with it, but it looks like this article says it does. So, and this is what it looks like in the United States currently. You can see all these little dots here, not just California, folks. I mean, just inland. It's coming more inland. So something's happening around underneath, underneath here. What kind of worries me, folks, though, because I just showed you a map here. There was an earthquake here, a 1.3 in Wyoming. Those you may know, Wyoming, what's in Wyoming? Wyoming is Yellowstone. I believe it's the Yellowstone National Park where the volcano is. So that's the super volcano. So that's not a good thing. If that goes off, we have some big problems there. So just keep a close eye on that. We'll let you know exactly more about that. But this is what's happening right here, as I just reported. Wyoming just had an earthquake there. Not good news because that's where the volcano is, super volcano, what they call it. So. And Wisconsin, they said that the sound was coming from Wisconsin, which is weird. Is that because my earthquake charts does not show any earthquakes here, but according to the geologist, it said it is. So there you have it. And then if you look more toward inland, you can see there's a little dots of earthquakes happening here. So obviously something's happening underneath the earth there. Wisconsin, as you know, is not known to have earthquakes. They're known to have maybe tornadoes and other stuff, but not earthquakes. But, this has been kind of weird. There's been earthquakes in Oklahoma, they're in Texas. You know, I had a friend from Texas called me about a couple months ago whenever the Texas earthquake happened. But so it's unprotectable as far as where it's happening. So there you go there. So they're increasing. So as you can see, Mexico there, they're still rattling there. So and then the usual places here. The Ring of Fire, definitely. There's obviously plates moving and causing things to happen there. So you look at the mid Middle East, and that's where it is. So, just to let you know, folks, they confirmed that it was a 1.5 magnitude earthquake, and that's what's causing the rattling there. So, God bless you guys, and keep praying and keep safe. Keep safe, folks. Keep safe.